What's up, folks? Reaper is Grim. Have a couple of balisongs that are new to me that I figured I'd show off, share with you guys. Obviously, these are not new balisongs. I got the 40 out here for size comparison, but this one, my brother gave it to me not too long ago. He said he was cleaning out a house and ran across it in an old box. The leather is starting to fall apart a little bit. I mean, it could probably, use some conditioning and bring it back to life. Which right now it's just sitting in my safe. The knife, not bad neither. Parker Gypsy. There has been a little bit of sharpening on the blade, but not a whole lot. No play in the handles. A little bit, not much. Stainless steel. Very polished. Very, very polished handles. Feels good to flip. It's smooth. Got the T-latch on the bottom. Polished also. It is maybe a quarter of an inch shorter than the 40 trainer. I guess the length plus weight is okay. Like I say, it's just been in my safe. It doesn't see a whole lot of action just because, And I got this one from a guy a couple weeks ago. This knife right here is freaking huge. Look at that. I mean, it's got to be, 2.5, 3 inches longer than a 40 trainer. I don't know what the whole overall length of it is. It's probably a good 7 inches unopened. Taylor Seto. Golden Dragon. This thing is a freaking monster. I've tried a little bit of flipping action with it, but it's a big, heavy knife. Kind of intimidating. Size comparison. This, yeah. Not even opened, this is almost as long as the 40 trainer. This is a big, heavy ass tank knife. Early 80s. This is probably the only one that I've saw. Handles are a little tarnished. I'm really not sure if it's brass or if it's just coated steel. Down inside of the channel it's real shiny steel. I thought about, polishing it up, but I didn't want to take away from the patina if it was possibly brass, just for value. It's a big beefy knife. I'll say it's a good 12, 13 inches long open. I might try to get in a little bit of flipping action with it one day. Depends. Alright, folks. Hope you enjoyed getting to see a couple of my old balisongs. Have a good one. Peace out.